Hi, my name is Jeff. I'm a product manager with RectorSeal, and we're here at ASPE 2024, and we're going to talk about some of the new products we have here. So first, we're going to start off with SureGrade. SureGrade is a brand new floor drain. It's adjustable after the concrete pour. It comes already with a pre-installed grate. Out of the box, it has a protective cover. This will prevent any type of debris or any type of damage to the finished fixture. After the concrete's poured and after the tile is installed, your flooring contractor or your plumber can remove the cap. Inside the cap there is a 4mm Allen key. With this Allen key you can actually adjust the floor drain up to 1 inch around 3 different adjustment points. And really what this is doing for the contractor, it's reducing labor. So a lot of these other adjustable floor drains, what you have to do is you have to come back and install the grate, and then come back and remove the cap and install different shims to make the adjustment. Here, even your flooring contractor could do these adjustments. And because we're doing it around 3 adjustment points, you can get very precise adjustments to the grade of the floor.